How to use the support service. Pocket Option Support Service is available 24/7. Navigate to the Support Service section. You can see your current requests under View Your Existing Support Requests. Find current topics under My Open Support Requests or View Closed Requests in the My Archived Support Requests section. Click on a request to view the message history. Add your response if necessary or close the request. If you want to create a new support request, go to the appropriate subsection. Choose a specific category corresponding with your issue, or use the quick search by questions and categories. Review available solutions. Use the Create a New Support Request button if you cannot find an answer to your question. Fill out the necessary forms and describe your question in detail. Trade and earn with Pocket Option.